Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add college and high school to your Facebook profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon. Now tap on profile, and here you can see added profile. Just tap here, scroll down, and here you can see under details you can see the education, but that education don't give us the option to add high school or college. So all we have to do is tap on the edit. Now here you can see add high school and add college. First, just tap on add high school, and here what you have to do is select your school, like whatever. Let me search government high school or whatever. So now just tap the year icon, and here select the year. For example, let me select 2000 1994. Okay, tap on the OK. If you want to make your educations public, so let it be public, or if you want to change your privacy, tap on only me or tap on the friends, whatever you want to. Let me make it public. Now save. Here you can see my school education is added. Tap on add college. Here you have to select the college, like government. Let me select Cario College. All I have to do is tap on graduate, set the privacy from year, select 2000, sorry, let me select 2005, tap on OK, to date, select the date, let me select 2008, tap on OK, save. And if you want to add the month, you can simply add month, and here you can add whatever you want to add. Now okay, now tap on add day, and you can simply, this is your choice if you want to add. If you don't want to, just skip this. All you have to do is tap on save, and here you can see the education is added. So this is how you can easily add your high school or college education to your Facebook profile. So hope you guys like my video.